Hello, you lovely people. Let's talk about curry. Not just any curry, but a proper, gorgeous chicken and spinach curry that feels like a great big hug in a bowl. This is one of those meals that just makes everything better. It's warm, it's comforting, and it's packed with so much incredible flavor that you'll be thinking about it for days. It's the kind of food that brings everyone to the table smiling and ready to tuck in. It's simple, honest cooking that delivers big time on taste. And that's what we're all about, isn't it? This is your new go-to, I promise you. Right then, before we get our hands dirty, let's get all our lovely ingredients lined up. Good cooking starts with good prep. Having everything ready makes the whole process a breeze. For our chicken curry, 600 grams of chicken thighs. I always go for thighs, full of flavor and stay tender. Chop into bite-sized chunks. 2 large onions, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, grated or finely chopped, 3 medium-ripe tomatoes, or blitz them for a smoother sauce, 300 grams of fresh spinach. If frozen, thaw and squeeze out the water. 4 or 5 green cardamom pods, bruised, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, your call, a teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of garam masala to stir in at the end, salt, a couple tablespoons of oil or ghee, and a little splash of water, red lentils with a pinch of turmeric and salt, a cup of basmati with cloves and cardamom, and poppadoms ready to cook. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, let's get cooking. The secret to a truly fantastic curry is building layers of flavor right from the very start. So grab a large, heavy-bottomed pan or a casserole dish and place it over a medium heat. Add your 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee and let it get nice and warm. Now for the first bit of magic, toss in your cumin seeds, bruised cardamom pods. Let them sizzle and dance in the hot oil for about 30 seconds. You'll know they're ready when they release incredible aromas. This toasts the spices and infuses the oil. Our beautiful foundation. Add your finely chopped onions now. This is a stage you don't want to rush, my friends. Cook slowly, stirring now and then until soft, sweet, beautifully golden brown. It can take 8 to 10 minutes, but it's worth it. This caramelizes, removes harshness, and builds the soul of the sauce. When onions are gorgeous and golden, add your grated ginger garlic. Stir for a minute until wonderfully fragrant. Don't let it burn. Now, tip in your chopped tomatoes, pureed tomatoes, along with your chili powder and turmeric. Give it all a really good stir. Cook 5 to 7 minutes until the oil separates. A perfect cue. Section 4. Bringing in the chicken, making it magic. Right, your flavor base is looking and smelling absolutely stunning. Now it's time for the star of the show, the chicken. Add those lovely chunks directly into the bubbling masala. Give everything a really good stir, making sure every piece is generously coated. We want that flavor hugging the chicken from the start. Keep stirring for about 5 minutes to cook the outside. You're not cooking through yet, just searing and sealing in juices. You'll see it go opaque in that vibrant red-orange sauce. This helps texture and lets it hold shape while simmering. Section 5. The glorious green stuff and finishing touches. Okay, the chicken is perfectly tender and the sauce is rich and beautiful. It's time for the final flourish, the spinach. Take your big handfuls and add them to the pan. It might look like a crazy amount, but don't worry. Spinach wilts down to almost nothing. Pop the lid on for a minute or 2. Let the steam do its work. A bit of kitchen magic right there. Stir and fold the spinach into the curry. Keep stirring until it's beautifully incorporated. Let it cook another 2 or 3 minutes until soft and silky. It adds color, freshness, and a boost of goodness. Now for the final touches. Just before you take it off the heat, add a tablespoon of Garam Masala. It's a finishing spice. Preserve that delicate fragrance. Taste, then add salt until the flavors sing. A squeeze of lemon wakes everything up. Fish out any whole cardamom, powerful if bitten. If you like it creamier or cooler, stir in yogurt or a splash of cream. Section 6. Side sorted. Dazzling dal rice poppadoms. A brilliant curry deserves brilliant mates. A simple, creamy red lentil dal, perfect companion. Take 1 cup of red lentils, give them a good rinse, pop into a saucepan and cover with 3 cups of water. Add a pinch of turmeric and a little salt. Bring to a boil, then simmer 15 to 20 minutes. lentils should be super soft and creamy. For the tarka, melt a tablespoon of butter or ghee, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a dried red chili. Fry 30 seconds, then pour the sizzling oil over the dal. Give it a gentle stir, dazzling dal done. For the rice, add a couple of cloves and a bruised cardamom pod to the water. Cook to packet instructions, then fluff until light and airy. Deep fry 3 seconds aside for instant puff or microwave 30 to 60 seconds. Job done. Section 7, plating up, the big finish. Right? The moment we've all been waiting for. Everything's cooked, the kitchen smells incredible, and it's time to bring it all together. Plating up is all about making it look as good as it tastes. It's the final act, the big finish. I love a wide, shallow bowl for curry. It holds that lovely sauce. Start with a generous bed of fluffy basmati. Let it shine. Next, ladle that gorgeous chicken and spinach curry right beside it. Don't be shy, plenty of rich sauce, tender chicken, silky spinach. Add a lovely spoonful of creamy golden tarka dal, either on the other side of the rice or in a small bowl to the side. The colors should look amazing. White rice, orange-green curry, yellow dal. Now the touches that make it a proper feast. Break a crispy poppadom or two and tuck them in, or pile them up to share. Perfect for scooping, dipping, and that all-important crunch. A little bowl of yogurt cools the heat beautifully. Lemon or lime wedges for an extra bright squeeze if you fancy it.